Alright guys, I'm going to show you all how to get rid of this check engine light for the Catless downpipe on the FL5 Type R. You can see there, I got the check engine light there to the left, to the right. You can see there, the emissions and whatnot, all that good stuff. Well, really not good, but you know what I'm saying? You got that? So I want to show you here on the laptop real quick. Hopefully this records good. So once you get into the Flash Pro Manager here, what you're going to want to do is open a new calibration. So go there. Unless you already have a custom tune, then you probably don't have to worry about this because your tuner probably took it off. If not, you can just open a tune. But in my case, I just have the base map tunes that were on here. So I gotta open new calibration, pick the one that I want, which I had the 93 octane, because that's what we got here in Florida. And then you're gonna click OK. And wait a second, this is gonna pop up. You can go through this and check what you want to check or uncheck, whatever. Me personally, I just leave it how it was. I don't need to add anything different. Towards the bottom here, if you kind of scroll down, if you want, well, it's not towards the bottom, it's more like the middle, somewhere in there. You can activate the pops and bangs if you want that. I don't really care for that, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. Come over here, click OK, and then to check your check engine light codes, you actually come up here to online, and then come here to OBD2 diagnostics. Click on that, and it'll show you what codes are on right now. As you can see, I got P0420, the catalyst system efficiency below threshold, which is obviously that's going to happen because I put a catalyst downpipe on the car. So you know what code to look for there in the next step. So you need to come here first, do that, check the code that you've got. Then you can just close that. And then what you're going to want to do is come here to calibrations, click on that, wait for that to open up. You're going to get this menu, and then you're going to come down here to, let me see if it'll focus. You're going to come here to miscellaneous, click on that, and then the very first option is DTCs. So you're going to click on DTCs, and you're going to get all your codes here. They're all going to come up. I've already looked at this, so I know that my P0420 is towards the bottom. So I'm going to come down here and look for it again. Should be somewhere around here. Keep scrolling down a little bit, and is right there. Okay, so P0420, you're gonna uncheck that, and that'll basically turn that off of the sensor for the catalyst system efficiency. So that won't be red no more. And then after that's unchecked, you just exit out of this. And if you want to make sure that it did it correctly, give this a second. If you want to make sure that it is unchecked, once this window comes off, you just click on calibration again, go right down to it, and then you should see it unchecked like it is now. So here, and just real quick to show you, click on calibration again. Got a little bit of slow computer. Go down to miscellaneous, DTCs again, and then we're going to come all the way down and look for that code, which should be easier to find because you just look at the check marks on the side, and there you can see mine is unchecked. So we know we're good. So go ahead, exit out of that again. And then that's pretty much it. Now all you got to do is just upload the tune. So you're going to click on the arrow up here to upload, and then just follow the prompts on the screen. So click on that. And now it's uploading to ECU. So I'm gonna let that go through, and then I won't keep you guys here waiting for this because it could take a couple minutes. But just wait for that to finish, and then we'll show you the next step here. Alright, it's just about done. There we go. Now just switch off the ignition. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And that's it, you're all done. So I'm gonna go ahead now, turn the car on. Check engine light should be gone. There you go. No more check engine light, and this should not come back now that that sensor was unchecked, basically turned off. So now you should be good to go to drive around and not have the check engine light come back on because of your catless downpipe, or even some catted downpipes as well. So if you have a catted downpipe that's aftermarket, same thing could happen. Sometimes that little 90-degree extension doesn't always help. So, and if it doesn't, just do these same steps. And yeah, but so hope this video helped somebody. And if it did, please give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, guys, take care and have a great day.